Welcome back. Let's do question 314. In the diagram, A, B, and C are the vertices of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. T is the midpoint of CP. T is the midpoint of CP, and we managed to find the coordinates of T in question 313. The equation of the line AC is 5x minus 6y is equal to 8. Then the angle of inclination of AB is alpha. We managed to find the size of alpha in question 312. Triangle DCT is drawn such that CD is parallel to AB. So CD is parallel to AB. The lines AC and DT intersect at S, the y-intercept of AC. P, F, and R are the x-intercepts of DC, AC, and AB, respectively. We want the coordinates of S, the y-intercept of AC. Right, we're given the equation of AC here. So we don't need to do a lot of things. We have 5x minus 6y is equal to 8. So we know that at the y-intercept, x is equal to 0. So where there is x, we put 0. So 5 times 0 minus 6y is equal to 8. And then divide by negative 6 on both sides of the equation. So it becomes y is equal to negative 8 over 6, which is negative 4 over 3. So the coordinates of S here will be 0, negative 4 over 3. Right, if you want, you can write this equation in standard form and say, we can bring 6y this side and then 8 this side. It becomes 5x minus 8 is equal to 6y, which is just like 6y is equal to 5x minus 8. Then divide everything by 6. You'll get your y is equal to 5 over 6, x minus 4 over 3. Remember, this gives you your y coordinate of the y-intercept.